What's your reaction to the emergence of Okowa?
I'm very excited. Very, very excited. It means that PDP will win. That's the best way to summarize it. There's no better choice at the circumstance than Senator Okowa. He has distinguished himself as a performing governor. As a parliamentarian, he was very quintessential. He made friends across the country. So he's very dynamic. He's a patriot. He's a pan-Nigerian. So this is the best choice that PDP could ever make in choosing who will be the running mate for Atiku. And he's going to bring a lot of value to the Atiku ticket. He's somebody who has all the complements, all the qualifications of who will be the good presidential vice running mate. So I'm happy with this choice. Other people would have fit the bill, but I'm sure he's best for the job.
Okay, beyond all of these explanations you have made concerning his beautiful attributes, there are some people who feel that the emergence of an Okowa, for instance, may not garner the full support of the South-South region, and particularly because PDP is also coming under Labour Party, perhaps the vote from the Southeast, where you were from, might also be divided.
I come from the Southeast. I can assure that Southeast will vote for PDP. Can guarantee that. No doubt Peter is our son, but we need to be dynamic. You ask ourselves, can Peter win the presidential election? Can the East afford to throw away their votes? Can we afford to be sentimental in matters that concern our people and our children and our future? The answer is no. So we don't intend to do a thing which we will regret in the future. So while we believe that Peter is ably qualified, we believe that the future of our people lies on PDP, at least in the next 8 years. So we need to make that decision as the leaders of our people. And we're going to sit with them and explain to them. Okowa, of course, is one of us. So there's no difference between Okowa and Peter in terms of protecting the interests of the South, including the South and the South-South. Okay? So we're going to give the people of the Southeast all the opportunity and meeting with Okowa so that he also speak to them. But we're going to be on ground to talk to our people and guarantee Okowa that he will be there for our people.
Thank you very much, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.